Financial literacy, the basic skills to improve the quality of life amongst Filipinos.
Today, we stand before you not just as speakers, but as someone who is deeply concerned about the pressing issues that affect millions of Filipinos. The lack of financial literacy, an invisible barrier that holds back the potentials of individuals, families, and the community.
And a mission-rich in culture, talent, and perspectives. Why does many Filipinos struggle to break free from the cycle of poverty? Why does many families live paycheck to paycheck, constantly battling with and unable to plan for secure future? The answer lies not solely in economic conditions, but in the knowledge gap, a gap that financial literacy can reach. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is not just about how to count money, it's just about making decisions that allow to save for emergency, investing for the future, and avoid the trap of predatory loans. Imagine a society where every Filipino understands the value of compound interest and the danger of the impulsive spending and the benefits of budgeting.
Research shows that financial literacy directly impacts a nation's economic growth and the quality of life of its people. In the Philippines, with an average literacy continues to rise, empowering individuals with financial knowledge can help reduce dependence on loans, minimize bankruptcies, and foster entrepreneurship.
The current reality. In 2016, Bacol's involved Filipinas is not the result of the only 2 out of 10 Filipino adults that is saving account. Furthermore, a significant portion of the population relies on informal literacy, exposing them to uninterest rates and financial spread.
Our call to action. To address this, we must treat financial literacy as basic life skill. Firstly, integrate financial literacy in education. Starting from primary school, students should learn how to budget, save, and invest. Subjects like personal finance should be as important as mathematics or science. Second, communities, government agencies, NGOs, and private institutions must provide free financial education and programs, especially in underserved areas.
And the third one, encourage financial discipline in workplace. Employers that play a vital role by offering financial planning seminars and tools to their employees, helping them achieve financial stability. And the fourth and last one is to leverage technology, mobile apps, and online platforms can make financial tools accessible to every Filipino, regardless of the location or the income level.
Imagine a Philippines where financial literacy is universal, where every Filipino knows how to manage their resources. By embracing financial literacy, we can break the chains of poverty, uplift communities, and create a nation where quality of life is not a privilege of reality for all. Ladies and gentlemen, let us champion financial literacy. Let us empower Filipinos with skills to build a brighter future for themselves and their families. Together, we can turn vision into a lasting legacy for generations to come. Thank you.